Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down something I know many of you have been asking about. Can you actually build a luxury barndominium for under $100,000? After diving deep into industry data, talking to builders, and analyzing real projects, the answer is yes, but there are some important things you need to know. I put together a complete design plan with a detailed cost breakdown that shows exactly how someone could achieve this. But before we jump in, if you're serious about building your dream home on a budget, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos where I break down more affordable housing solutions. And if you find this breakdown valuable, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Now here's my promise to you. Stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal the 3 biggest mistakes people make that blow their barndominium budget and how to avoid them. These mistakes can cost you $20,000 to $30,000 if you're not careful. Let's dive in. First, let's get real about what under $100,000 actually means. According to industry data, the average barndominium costs between $65 to $160 per square foot. For a 1,500 square foot home, that typically ranges from $97,500 to $240,000. So hitting that $100,000 mark is possible, but it requires strategic planning. Here's what this budget assumes. You already own the land, and it's build ready with utilities accessible. You'll also need to do significant DIY work or have skilled friends and family willing to help. If someone hires contractors for everything, builders report costs closer to $150,000 to $180,000 for the same result. But here's what makes this exciting. The research shows you can create a home that looks and feels luxurious without breaking the bank. The key is knowing where to invest and where to save. That's exactly what this design plan demonstrates. The design philosophy behind this plan is simple. Maximize visual impact while minimizing costs. The layout features a simple rectangular footprint measuring 40 feet by 37.5 feet. Why this matters? Complex angles and fancy roof lines add thousands to any budget. A straightforward shape means less material waste, simpler engineering, and faster construction. The design uses a classic gable roof because it's the most cost-effective option and provides excellent functionality. No fancy dormers or multiple roof pitches. Simple doesn't mean boring, it means smart building strategy. For the exterior, this plan calls for vertical metal siding in a sleek charcoal gray with black trim. Metal siding costs significantly less than wood, requires zero maintenance, and delivers that modern farmhouse aesthetic that's so popular right now. The design includes one statement element: oversized black-framed windows on the front facade. This single design choice elevates the entire exterior without major cost increases. Now let's talk numbers. Here's the complete cost breakdown for this 1,500 square foot luxury barndominium design. Steel frame kit, $22,500. This includes a prefab steel kit with primary framing, secondary framing, metal siding, metal roofing, trim, fasteners, and stamped building plans. Going with steel typically saves about 30% compared to traditional with framing, according to multiple suppliers. Foundation, $9,000. A concrete slab foundation is the most economical option at approximately $6 per square foot based on current market rates. This provides a solid, level base without the expense of basement or crawl space. Windows and doors, $8,500. This represents a strategic investment area. Large, energy-efficient windows flood the space with natural light. The design features floor-to-ceiling windows that create impact. Costs stay manageable by using the same window style throughout rather than mixing different types. Insulation, for $1,500. The plan calls for spray foam insulation, which costs more upfront but provides significant energy savings long-term. In metal buildings, proper insulation is essential for comfort based on builder recommendations. Electrical and plumbing, $12,000. This requires licensed professionals and includes all wiring outlets, switches, light fixtures, plumbing rough-in, and bathroom fixtures. This is a national average for this square footage. HVAC system, $7,000. A high-efficiency system properly sized for the space. Industry experts emphasize that proper HVAC is crucial in barndominiums due to the metal construction. Interior finishing, $24,000. This is where the design creates luxury appeal. Polished concrete floors throughout the main living area cost only about $3 per square foot, but deliver a high-end look. For bedrooms, luxury vinyl plank flooring mimics hardwood at a fraction of the cost. Kitchen, $8,500. The design uses IKEA cabinets with upgraded hardware, butcher block countertops, and one statement piece, a large farmhouse sink. The appliance package is mid-range, but stainless steel for visual appeal. Bathrooms, $4,000. Simple white subway tile, black fixtures from online retailers, and floating vanities with vessel sinks keep costs reasonable while looking upscale. Here's where this design goes from basic to luxury without destroying the budget. Vaulted ceilings. The 16-foot height creates drama and makes the space feel twice its size. This doesn't add cost because it's built into the frame design naturally. Exposed beams. Leaving some structural element exposed and painting them black adds zero cost, but creates maximum visual impact. Open concept layout. With no interior load-bearing walls, the space flows beautifully. The kitchen, dining, and living areas feel massive and connected. Statement lighting. The design allocates $1,200 for 3 show-stopping light fixtures, a massive black chandelier over the dining table, industrial pendants over the kitchen island, and a modern ceiling fan with integrated lighting in the living area. Shiplap accent wall. One shiplap wall behind the main living area costs about $300 in materials, but adds significant texture and visual interest. Custom barn doors. Sliding barn doors for the bedrooms can be built from reclaimed or budget lumber. They add character while saving space compared to traditional swing doors. Let me break down where this budget plan cuts costs strategically without sacrificing quality. Acting as your own general contractor saves 15 to 20% of the total budget. That's over $15,000 in potential savings, though it requires time and organizational skills. Doing your own painting saves approximately $5,000 in labor costs. Budget about $600 for paint and supplies versus $5,000 plus for professional painters. Handling interior trim work yourself, including baseboard installation and door casing, saves roughly $3,000 in labor costs. Building a kitchen island using stock cabinets as a base costs around $400 in materials versus $3,000 plus for a custom island. Shopping salvage yards for unique pieces like vintage lighting, hardware, and decorative elements can add character at minimal cost compared to retail prices. Using pre-designed stock plans instead of hiring an architect saves $4,000 to $6,000 right from the start. The total cost of this design plan comes to $99,500. That breaks down to roughly $66 per square foot, which is exceptional for what this plan delivers. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, an open concept living area, and a luxury aesthetic that rivals homes costing significantly more. The 1,500 square foot layout includes a master suite with a walk-in closet, 2 additional bedrooms sharing a hallway bathroom, and a massive great room combining kitchen, dining, and living spaces. The high ceilings and strategic window placement make it feel closer to 2,500 square feet, according to design principles. Honest advice. If you're considering this path, here's what the research reveals. This budget works if you have time, skills, and determination. If you're working full-time and can't do DIY work, builders suggest adding $50,000 to this budget. If you need to buy and prep land, add another $30,000 to $50,000 depending on location. If you live in a high-cost area, adjust everything upward by 20 to 30%. But if someone can commit to the work, building a barndominium under $100,000 is definitely achievable and represents one of the smartest ways to achieve homeownership with a custom, luxury feel. It just requires solid planning, realistic expectations, and willingness to put in sweat equity. All right, as promised, here are the 3 biggest mistakes that can destroy your Barndominium budget. Mistake number 1, underestimating site preparation costs. According to builders, people forget about grading, utility connections, and septic or well installation. These can add $15,000 to $25,000 you didn't budget for. Always get a site evaluation before you finalize your budget. Mistake number 2, skipping the contingency fund. Construction always has surprises. Builders recommend adding 10 to 15% to your total budget as a safety net. For a $100,000 build, that's $10,000 to $15,000 in reserve. Without it, you'll be forced to cut corners or go into debt when issues arise. Mistake number 3, choosing the wrong location. Building codes, permit costs, and contractor availability vary wildly by area. What costs $100,000 in rural Texas might cost $180,000 in California or Colorado. Research your specific area's requirements before falling in love with a design. Avoid these 3 mistakes, and you'll be way ahead of most first-time builders. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget-friendly building content. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.